In this video, you will learn how to install the RO faucet. We recommend the use of a drill with a 1/16 inch, 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch, and 1/2 inch drill bit, along with a hammer, a hole punch, a marker, and don't forget to use the safety glasses. Begin by placing the white disc base of the RO faucet in position and mark where you want to drill the hole. Then use the hammer and hole punch to make an indent. We suggest drilling the hole in stages by first using the 1/16 inch bit to start the hole, followed by the 1/8 inch bit, the 1/4 inch bit, and finally the 1/2 inch bit, all while spraying some water on the drill bits to help keep them cool. Clean the area and dispose of any debris. Remove the white protective coating from the faucet base to expose the chrome finish. Then place the small rubber washer, the chrome base, and the larger rubber washer into position. While placing the RO faucet through the drilled hole, position the spout so that the water is dispensed over the sink. On the underside of the sink, place the rubber washer, star washer, and lock nut into position and thread all the way to the top. Tighten the lock nut using a wrench. Then, thread on the 3/8 faucet adapter hand tight. Using the silicone grease provided, lubricate the end of the tubing with a light coating and push the end of the tubing firmly into the fitting. You should feel it push past the O-ring, and then place the blue clip in a position to lock the tubing into place.
Visit us at www.canaturewg.com or call us toll-free at 1-877-288-9888.